In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number in Gcash but same account. If you've switched SIMs or updated your mobile number but want to keep your existing Gcash account, this walkthrough will help you do it smoothly and safely. First, open the Gcash Help Center. You can find it inside the Gcash app by going to your profile and selecting Help Center, or you can visit the Help Center website in your browser. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're signed into the account you want to update. Having your old and new numbers nearby is helpful, especially if you need to receive verification texts. Inside the Help Center, select the section labeled Your Account. This is where Gcash gathers all topics related to your profile details, security settings, and personal information. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct section will save time and help you avoid going in circles. Next, choose Update and Manage Your Account. This area covers changes to your account information, and it includes the option we need for updating your registered mobile number. You'll also see related articles and guidelines that explain what changes may affect your account, such as logins, linked services, or verification status. Now, click Change Number Now. Before you proceed, carefully read all the steps shown on that page. The instructions there outline eligibility, requirements, and what to expect during the change. This is important because updating your number can impact how you log in and where your one-time passwords are sent. Make sure your new number is active and can receive messages, and ensure you still have access to your current number if the process asks for confirmation. If your account is verified, the page may note additional checks. Follow the guidance closely to keep everything seamless. Once you've read and understood the instructions, proceed only when you're ready and can complete the process in one sitting. Keep your device charged and stay in a place with strong signal. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly as described in the Help Center flow. If anything looks unclear, go back and reread the guidance rather than guessing. If you still need further assistance at any point, click Chat with Gigi in the Help Center. Gigi is Gcash's support assistant and can guide you to the correct form or connect you to more help if necessary. When chatting, describe that you want to change the number on the same account. Never share your full PIN or any one-time codes in chat. That's it. By opening the Gcash Help Center, going to your account, selecting Update and Manage Your Account, and choosing Change Number Now, then carefully following the on-screen steps, you can update your number while keeping your same Gcash account.